What if I told you that just 10 minutes every morning could completely change your body, your energy, and even your mindset? No gym, no equipment, just your body and a little discipline. Stay till the end, because this routine works whether you're a beginner or already fit. Good morning, warriors. If you wake up feeling stiff, low on energy, or unhappy with your body, this video is for you. This 10-minute morning workout is designed to burn fat, wake up your muscles, boost metabolism, and set the tone for the entire day. The best part, you can do it right in your bedroom. Why morning workouts work? Morning workouts activate your metabolism early, which means you burn more calories throughout the day. They also improve focus, reduce stress, and help regulate hormones. Just 10 minutes daily can create visible changes in your body within weeks. Let's get straight into it. Workout breakdown, 10 minutes total. 1. Jumping jacks. 1 minute start with jumping jacks to warm up your entire body. Keep your chest up, arms wide, and breathe steadily. This gets your heart rate up and wakes your system instantly. 2. Bodyweight squats. 1 minute. Feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and lower down. Squats activate your legs, glutes, and core, the biggest calorie-burning muscles in your body. Focus on control, not speed. 3. Push-ups. 1 minute push-ups build your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Keep your body in a straight line. Beginner. Knees on the floor. Advanced. Slow tempo push-ups. 4. High knees. 1 minute. Drive your knees up fast while pumping your arms. This exercise melts belly fat and improves cardiovascular endurance. Go hard for 30 seconds, then steady for 30. 5. Plank hold. 1 minute. Get into a plank position. Squeeze your core, glutes, and thighs. This builds deep core strength and improves posture. Focus on breathing. 6. Lunges. 1 minute step forward and lower your back knee. Alternate legs. Lunges shape your legs and improve balance. Keep your chest upright. 7. Mountain climbers. 1 minute fast, controlled knee drives. This is a full-body fat burner and core shredder. Keep your hips low. 8. Glute bridges. 1 minute lie on your back, feet flat. Drive hips upward. This strengthens glutes and lower back, especially great after sleeping. 9. Standing. Stretch. Plus. Deep breathing. 1 minute. Stretch your arms overhead, touch your toes, rotate your shoulders. Slow your breathing to bring your heart rate down. This workout won't change your body in one day. But if you do this every morning for 30 days, your energy, strength, posture, and confidence will improve massively. No excuses, no gym, just 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment "morning" if you're committing to this routine. See you tomorrow, stronger than yesterday.